Guys, look, I'm here directly from the construction site. I'm delivering this apartment, this project to my client, and I want to give you a very important tip, both decorative and functional for your kitchen. I have here the induction cooktop installed in the stone countertop for my client, which we installed and included in the project. And I also have the oven here that he bought for us to install for him as well, okay? So what's the tip? Pay attention! There are some oven models that need that little grill up here for air to come out, right? That hot air, that natural ventilation, the oven needs to expel that air. Anyway, this model here already has ventilation coming out through here and also down here, okay? This specific model here. When you go to buy your oven, okay, pay close attention. In the technical information of the product, check if it needs this little grill here for you to install for the air outlet or if it already has the air outlet here and here. Why? This will greatly affect your cabinetry. You will need to put that little grill here, you will need it. For example, back here I left a gap in space for another ventilation as well, which is coming out on the side, but even so, besides it requiring it here, naturally in the model itself, I also left it in the back. So here's the tip for you, okay? Above all, pay attention. There's a cooktop on top and an oven below, which is the classic model here, even for you to make the most of the space in your kitchen. When you can't put it in the hot tower, you put the cooktop here, put the oven here, look at this. The air will come out here and the air will come out here in this model. In the other case, you need to put that little grill here, so you need to have a considerable distance here between the end of the oven and the back of the cooktop there. You'll have to put that little grill there, okay? That's a very important tip for you. In fact, this is the model I like to use in my projects, this oven model here, where the air comes out here and you don't need to use that little grill, all right? The same goes for the cooktop. Both are from excellent brands. I'm not going to advertise any brands here, that's up to you, but they are excellent brands for you to choose from. I'll leave for you down below in the description of this video the link where you can buy this model that I recommend to my clients for the gas oven too, okay? This one is a gas oven. There's also an electric one of the same model, you just have to choose. And the induction cooktop, which I really like to use in my projects, induction cooktop, okay? The links for both are down below in the description of this video. So take this tip when you're renovating or building your kitchen. The oven model will determine whether it will have this grill or not, okay? Share it. Share this video with people you know need this information. Help me share it, like it, subscribe, because this is very important information for safety and also for aesthetics, right? That issue with that little grill. Take care. See you next video.